Hey, welcome to Pythagoreans Get Ready for Calculus. This is Skill 13, Logarithms. Now, logarithms maybe were kind of a confusing big topic for you whenever you first learn them. We're just using them as another skill, another tool to solving some problems. And we actually encounter e and natural log a lot in calculus because of their real-life applications for exponential growth. While you will, if you do the rest of this skill, you will see maybe some traditional kind of logarithm problems from Algebra 2 or pre-calculus. We're really going to focus on the natural log of certain numbers. We're going to focus on the natural log of e raised to a natural log, and just what all that means, and e raised to two things added together. So let's look at this first problem. And remember, you can go to Pythagorean.com to look at answer keys for the entire page, as well as watch a video answer for the entire page. And stay to the end, we'll have a math joke about logarithms. All right, so let me just, before we attack this, let me say, what if I said x to the 2 plus plus 3? That would be x to the 5th, right? Or we could split that up into x squared times x to the 3rd, because we know that that's also how we would end up adding 2 plus 3 to get x to the 5th. Well, it's the same thing with our problem. We have e raised to the ln of 4 plus x, so we can say e to the ln of 4 times e to the x. It's the same exact idea. Then something that happens to us a lot in calculus is, especially as we're working on some problems later in calculus, is we get e to the ln, and those essentially cancel each other out. So that 4 drops down, and we have 4e to the x, and that is the simplified version of this. So you want to practice this page. This might be one that's a little confusing. Use Pythagorean.com. The QR code on the bottom right of the page will take you to an answer key and video answers for this. All right, so as promised, let's have AI give us a math joke about logarithms. Tell me a math joke about logarithms. So let's see what it can come up with here. I'm kind of curious how this is going to go. Thinking. All right. Why did the logarithm go to therapy? Because it had exponential issues and couldn't find its base. Holy cow, that's a top 10 joke right there. I like that a lot. That is really, really funny. All right, so hey, it's hit or miss on these AI-generated jokes. You never know what you're going to get. All right, this is Pythagorean. Get ready for calculus. Skill 13, logarithms. Go to Pythagorean.com for more resources. Thank you.